All right, here we have two older Lennox units here at this vintage church. That's all faded. Yeah, this unit is a 2001. And there's a bee trying to assault me. There's the data. Here's the other one. It's a value series from 2001 as well. That's pretty cool. Also over here, we have a Carrier Performance. This is pretty new. Look at the air ducts through that window. This is from 2015, and it's a 5-ton. Put it back in 1. I had it in 0.5. Look at the window. Anyway, I gotta look at the compressor. As a blanket. Anyway, thanks for watching.